Today, we're going to figure out why a Samsung dryer is only producing low heat when the high heat setting is selected. This problem is often caused by a faulty thermistor, heating element, or main PCB. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert repair guides. Always disconnect the dryer by unplugging it or switching off the breaker before starting any repairs. First, we'll check the thermistor. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws at the back. Slide the top panel back, lift it up, and set it aside. Next, remove 3 mounting screws holding the main control housing to the front and side frame. Carefully rotate the main control board for access to the wires. Locate connection CN4 and disconnect the wires. Set your multimeter to resistance. Test between the blue wire and red wire. The reading should be around 10K ohms at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. If the reading is outside the 10% range, the thermistor needs to be replaced. If it's within range, move on to testing the heating element. Now, let's check the heating element. Unscrew the 2 screws behind the door near the lint trap. Remove the 4 screws at the top of the front panel. Lift the front panel slightly, rotate it forward, and disconnect the door switch harness. Set the front panel aside. Unlatch wire retainers from the wire harness. Remove 5 screws from the top plate and set it aside. Disconnect the drum lamp wire. Remove screws securing the lint duct, pull it down, and set it aside. Remove 4 screws securing the front bulkhead. Disconnect the sensor bar wire connector. Lift the bulkhead and pull it forward. Reach back and remove the belt from the idler pulley. Lift out the drum and belt and set them aside. Set your multimeter to resistance mode. Remove 1 wire from the heating element terminals. Check the resistance of the heating element. It should read 10 ohms. If the resistance is open, the heating element is faulty and needs to be replaced. If both the thermistor and heating element are working, then the main PCB is likely the issue. To replace the main PCB, first, reinstall the drum and belt. Place the drum and belt back inside and secure the belt to the motor and idler pulley. Install the front bulkhead and secure it with screws. Reconnect the sensor bar wires. Reinstall the lint filter housing and lint filter. Connect the drum lamp wires and secure the top plate. Secure the wire harness retainers. Guide the front panel onto the bottom hinges. Reconnect the door switch wires and secure with screws. Set the console back into place, guiding the wires through the top plate. Take a picture of the existing wire connections. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the front screw from the main control. Slide the control board forward and remove it. Install the new PCB, securing it with screws. Reconnect the wires according to the reference picture. Finally, secure the top panel by sliding it forward into place and securing it with the Phillips screws removed earlier. Plug the dryer back in or turn the breaker back on. Did you find the faulty part? Whether it was the main PCB, thermistor, or heating element, follow these steps to replace it and get your dryer working again. Let us know how your repair went in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.